Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a weekly spread in my mini dashboard layout that I have not been using. Are y'all like me? I always end up buying all the pretty planners and have so many plans for them, and then life gets busy and I don't use them. So anywho, I'm going to do a mock spread for the week of February 26th through March 3rd. I'm going to use Spring Garden, and I think I'm going to use spring quotes. I know it's not technically spring yet. Sorry, my camera's shaky. I don't know why. I know it's not technically spring yet, but I got spring fever, so we're going to be decorating for spring. So let's get started. I'm just going to probably stick with my small decorative sheet, my small kit, and then possibly some mini stickers as well. So let's get started and see what we can do here. I think I'm gonna do my typical and decorate this top corner. I really need to start using this planner more. Every time I decorate a spread in a planner, I'm like, oh, I need to use it more. I need to use it more. So yeah, we'll see. All right. My chair's squeaky. Sorry, guys. Oh, I thought I got rid of you. All right, so let's take this little piece. I don't like wasting stickers, so oh, my dogs are barking out there. So I always try to utilize every little piece that I can. So I actually just use this whole sticker just to decorate this corner up here. Now I definitely want to use some of these decorative stickers down here. I'm wondering, okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this. So I'm winging it again today. I love winging it. It's so much fun. I'm going to take the birdhouse and stick there. And then I think I'm going to use Sunshine is the Best Medicine. No, a kind word is like a spring day. And we're going to just kind of overlay the quote onto the decorative sticker. Okay, love it, love it, love it. It's so cute. Okay, and then I don't even think I'm going to use boxes, y'all. I do want to use some of this washi. I think just to bring a little bit of this purpley color in here. Or do I? No, I don't, because I don't have anywhere to put it. I'll find another washi. All right, so let's go back to decorating. Let's decorate this bottom corner. So I guess while we're chatting, I don't really have much else to chat about. I've always been, or tried to be, like as transparent as I could be with you guys. And so let me just give you a little life update. Okay, I'm back. I had a little, another hiccup. So you probably heard my phone ring. I have my great niece again. They had a little family emergency issue going on over there. They live right behind me, so she said, can you watch Carly for me? And I said, yes, ma'am. I will meet you in the yard. So I went over there and grabbed her, and then I'm watching their little dog too. So it's a babysitting day again. But let's keep going. Miss Carly's asleep, so I'm going to try to get, this is my last video I'm going to film. So I'm going to try to get it filmed while she's asleep. And Oliver's mad. I put him in the living room because he'll aggravate the mess out of Miss Maddie. Maddie, what's wrong, baby? Huh? You want to come sit with me? Come here. Come here. You can come sit with me. No? Yeah, she's a little upset. She don't know what's going on. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to do boxes. I think I'm just going to decorate this top corner of here. And let's see. Decorate this top corner, and then I'll try to find some washi. Since I'm not going to use boxes, I do want a little bit more color somewhere in the spread, or a little something else. So we'll see what we can find. Come here, Maddie. It's okay, baby. Her's okay. Come here. Her want to sit with me? You want to sit with me, baby? She wants to be at home with her daddy. She's a daddy's girl. All right, this is really cute. This is really simple and really cute. So let me see if I can find some washi. Okay. I'm going to do it again, y'all. I'm going to use the foil. So this is a lavender. So we're going to bring out some of the lavender in these florals. And it is a foil. But since I'm not really doing Instagram photos anymore, I think photos are kind of outdated now. And reels and videos are the thing of the future or the present. So since I'm not doing photos, I don't have to too much worry about using foil. So yeah, we're gonna use up all the foil we can. Maddie, you're okay, baby. Why don't you go sit up there with your baby sister? Go sit with your baby sister. I probably need to see if she wants to get back on the bed. She don't know what to think. Poor dogs, I tell you, they know what their routines are and are supposed to be. And they get so upset when the routine is broken. She's probably wondering where her daddy is. It's okay, baby. Her's okay. It's bad when you fussing more than a baby is. Yes, it's bad when you fussing more than a baby. It's bad. Y'all just gonna hear me talk baby talk to the dog. Alright, let's see what this looks like and probably be finished. So yeah, this washi is super pretty. It just brings out the lavender and the stickers. And so I have plenty of room to write. I honestly feel like the washi might be a little too much. I think I'm gonna do something different here. I think I'm gonna pull this off. And I'm gonna pull this off. And that way we just have a little bit of washi on both pages. Yeah, I think that looks better. That way it's not too much. Okay, Maddie's upset, so I'm going to finish this video and hold her and give her some loving. So let's put it back in my planner, see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free to subscribe. And then head over to my website, 𝗑𝗨𝗏𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗏.com, and take advantage of the 50% off. Go ahead and get all your Easter and spring stickers while they're 50% off. So I think that's it for this video. I will see you guys on my next one. Thank y'all so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.